The best way to prepare for any type of crisis is to stock up on tools and supplies ahead of time, practice emergency procedures, and prep for the most likely types of scenarios, like power outages. Keep these 8 items in your home, your vehicle, or on your person, and you will be ready for almost anything life throws your way. One, extra food and water. It's an obvious place to begin, but extra food and water are the most critical resources in an emergency that requires you to stay inside for any length of time. Survival experts recommend keeping enough food for at least 72 hours, although naturally more is better. Be sure to consider your whole family's dietary needs. That might mean stocking up on extra baby food or pet food too. 2. Work gloves. Natural disasters like fires, earthquakes, or floods can cause massive physical damage and leave plenty of wreckage in their wake. Because of this, survival experts recommend keeping a pair of work gloves with your emergency kit in case you need to move heavy branches or clean up sharp debris. 3. Waterproof tarp. Unglamorous but extremely multifunctional, a waterproof tarp is an important part of any emergency kit. A tarp can be used to temporarily seal a broken window, prevent leaks from a damaged roof, or keep firewood dry. If you're trapped in a house with no heat, it can provide insulation and help create a warm room. 4. Duffel bag or backpack. Having all these supplies on hand is a good start, but it's just as important that you're able to access them quickly and easily. A strong, waterproof duffel bag or backpack is a convenient way to keep your emergency kit together and organized. 5. Flashlight. Should you encounter trouble after nightfall, you'll need a good flashlight to examine under the hood or check out your surroundings. Yes, you can use your phone in a pinch, but in a real emergency, you'll want to conserve your battery. Far smarter to keep a heavy-duty flashlight in your glove compartment, which can also double as a blunt self-defense weapon in a real pinch. 6. First aid kit. Store your first aid supplies in a toolbox or fishing tackle box so they will be easy to carry and protected from water. Inspect your kit regularly and keep it freshly stocked. Important medical information and most prescriptions can be stored in the refrigerator, which also provides excellent protection from fires. 7. Cell phone. A cell phone is arguably the single most useful emergency item you can carry, and odds are you never leave home without it. In a dangerous situation, a phone allows you to call for help from a remote location or alert your family to your condition. However, remember that your phone is generally only as valuable as its battery. Consider keeping an extra charger in your purse or jacket pocket. 8. Tactical knife. Speaking of backwoods essentials, survivalists will tell you that there's no replacement for a quality survival knife. In fact, many experts say it's the most important tool you can own. It's certainly one of the most versatile. A good knife provides a reasonable level of self-defense, but can also be used to help construct a shelter, trim kindling for firewood, clear a path through thick brush, prepare food, or help with basic first aid. Please like and share this video, and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.